This is another poetry prompt on the poem Evening Hawk. The whole poem is not printed here, but here we see a more complicated prompt than in the previous poem. Read the following poem carefully. Then write a well-organized essay in which you analyze how the poet uses language to describe the scene and to convey mood and meaning. So we have several things going on here, and we're going to use the TP-CAS acronym to get us started. So we'll look at the title here, Evening Hawk, okay? This poem is about a hawk. Paraphrase, we need to put it in our own words, but what this poem then is really going to focus us on is the content. Remember, under content, there's a whole bunch of different things that you're supposed to look for that relate to the language of this poem. And there are lots, as I said, lots of things, and this includes diction, which is word choice, and under that we have annotations and denotations. Imagery, already in the first stanza, we have lots of imagery, including we have oral imagery with a guttural gorge, and already there also we have sound devices coming forward, and then symbolism could be there. You need to look for irony, figurative language, all of those things. So it's a rather broad thing to look for. Now, it says how the poet uses language to describe the scene. So you're going to need to talk about the scene, which is the setting of the poem. And how does that convey mood? Now, mood, you know, is the same thing as tone. And then meaning is theme. So this is a pretty complicated task here because you are really needing to do four things. You need to analyze the language and describe how that describes the setting, and then you need to decide what the tone of the poem is, and of course those tone comes through those language things like diction and imagery, symbolism, all those things anyway. And then what is the theme? What are we supposed to learn from this poem? So quite a lot going on here.